Welcome. In this video I will show you how to transfer data from your old device to Samsung Galaxy A57 with Smart Switch. So let's start by finding the Smart Switch application on our Samsung, which we can easily do by going to Samsung folder. Here we have our Smart Switch. Now let's tap continue. Let's give this app all the permissions and let's select receive on this phone. Now select a source, so basically the operational system that your other smartphone uses. In my case, my other smartphone is Google Pixel 8. Of course, it uses Android. Now we're gonna have to get our devices connected. To do that, open camera on your other smartphone, open the link, and install the Samsung Smart Switch Mobile on your other device. You'll get a respective link to either Play Store or App Store, depending on your other smartphone. Okay, now we have to open the Smart Switch on our previous device, give it all the permissions. Now this is gonna be the hardest part. Let's make sure that you give permission to all files and not just partial permissions. Now we have to turn on allow the app usage data. To do that, in app usage data we're gonna have to select Smart Switch and switch the toggle to the right. So basically just tap settings and switch the toggle on next to Smart Switch every time you see any message. Okay. Now connect both devices. To connect both devices, make sure that they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure that they both have Bluetooth turned on. Tap connect. Now wait until your Samsung finds something interesting to transfer. Okay, so let's select everything, but if you want to select everything, of course you can select custom and choose which data you want to transfer, like calls and contacts, messages, images, videos. I'm gonna select all and tap transfer. No problem. Tap next. If you want to transfer faster, prepare a two-sided USB-C cable. Just connect it to both devices at the same time and wait for the transfer. Well, in my case it would be like 30 seconds instead of 1 minute, but I think that we can use just the Wi-Fi. So let's wait until the transfer is finished. Okay, now let's tap done. Next, and as you can see, all the data was transferred successfully. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.